Good evening, Diamonds, and welcome to tonight's session where we are looking at the month of June. My Diamonds, what June is to be is up to each and every one of us. How our business will look like this June is determined by what we do on daily basis, on hourly basis, on minute basis. If you don't have a proper plan for your June is highly likely going to be disastrous. So that is why we need to have a session like this one. Last bega khona uJune wethu ukuthi na siplane kahle for uJune. Do we have proper plans for our June? And then is the plan written down? And then did we plan enough activities that will help us achieve the results that we want to achieve kulo June? And each June is signal yokuthi manje we are halfway of the year. Half of the year is gone by end of June. You are left with the last half. So lena i-training yokuthi bekumele sibe khona sonke i-team iphelele. So if you have a downline, please ask that downline to join. Send them a message to join. If we have downlines who don't join these kind of sessions, then you don't have a team because they will only grow if siya trainer, but receive a training, they get knowledge and develop nama skills. So ngaphandle kwelona knowledge and skills, akunakuthi they can be successful in the business. Into eletha impumelelo ulwazi elisetshenziswayo. Mawuya uyo applya lo lwazi olutholayo la kuma training, then yilo lo lwazi eliyokukhiphela ama results. So kuyadabukisa kulabo abajoyinile ibhizinisi kodwa bangafundiseki. And then umuntu ongafundiseki kulula ukumbona uhlala isikhathi eside sebhizinisini anga-achieve lutho, not because akekho capable, but because akafundiseki. Sihlala sithi attend ama-training, attend ama-success day, attend ama-presentation, then yena anga-attend zonke lezo zinto. So because aka-attend akakhuli because akanalo ulwazi. So noma ulwazi mhlawumbe lisherwa, aka-pay attention, amamelisise, then ukuze athathe le information agijime ngayo akhule a-achieve ama-results wakhe. So kungakho kubalulekile ukuthi checka i-team yakho ukuthi ime kanjani. Go laphana singakho ithi ngibone ithi si-9 le lona. Vula laphana kuma-participant ukuthi lama-participant nawa abobani abala as participant, and then bayingaki ama-downline wami lakho lama-participant, and then ucheck ongekho why angekho, because last ngithe sisize nama-downline wethu ukudownloada iZoom abangenayo, because bakwethu most of our training ngala kwi-Zoom. So abantu bakho mabanga-attend lama-Zoom then bayasala, unfortunately, because into ama-training abaningi aba-attendi ama-Zoom noma kusekuyi-live meeting still aba-attend. So wazi ukuthi labo bantu bakho unga-waste isikhathi u-investa isikhathi kumuntu ukuthi akekho kuma-Zoom, akekho nakuma-live trainings, because kuyafana lapho mosha isikhathi sakho. Ngiyakutshela ngeke akhule. Siyabathanda abantu esibafaka ebhizinisini, sibafisela impumelelo abantu esibafaka ebhizinisini, sifisa ngathi bangaphumelela because yiyo i-reason why sibafakile ebhizinisini. But iqiniso ukuthi bakwethu, if anga-attend umuntu wakho angeke akhule. There's no two way about it. If umuntu wakho anga-attend angeke akhule ngoba angeke abe nolwazi. So uyoba mthwalo kuwe. You see, uyoba umthwalo wakho ukuthi uyohlala umthweli one way, but kuba umthwalo okusindayo oyodileya nawe ukuya emaphupheni wakho, ngoba ngeke ugijime ngespeed esifanele if uthwele omunye umuntu. So ama-downline wethu akumele siwathwale, kumele sibambisane nabo. Ngiyakholwa isizulu sami sihle lapho. Ama-downline wethu akumele sibathwale, kumele sibambisane nabo. And akusiwo wonke ama-downline wakho amaphupha afana nawakho, or abafuna impumelelo ngokushesha njengoba wena uyifuna ngokushesha. So bakhona ama-downline wakho, mayenzekile iyenzekile, mayingayenzekanga ayenzekanga, akusanani. So i-attitude abanayo about their business. So umuntu onjalo bakwethu uzokubambelela if unama-downline anjalo, azokubambelela. Kungakho sithi kuma-manager, mas-train ama-manager noma sixoxa nama-supervisor, but nawo wonke umuntu, but kaningana ngale kuma-manager. Hlala sibakhuthaza leaders, stop complaining about your downlines abangasebenzi. Focusa recruiting more assistant supervisors, uproduce ama-supervisor. Then usebenza nabo-supervisor bakho ukuproduce ama-supervisors. Lokho kuzokulethela abantu aba-serious, abaziyo ukuthi bafunani, abafuna impumelelo and abayifuna manje. Because ukhona umuntu uyayifuna impumelelo mara akajahanga, ubona ngezenzo. You see, ukuthi akana sense of agency. So lokho naye loyo noma efuna impumelelo ngoba akajahile manje uzokubambelela still. Nayi i-challenge la ikhona. So asingasebenzi nabantu kuya nge-potential, asebenze nomuntu kuya nge-commitment yakhe ebhizinisini lakhe. Because umuntu ojoyinile kuwe bakwethu, ujoyinile kuwe team member yakho kodwa usebhizinisini lakhe. Makahlala uhlalela ibhizinisini lakhe, makasebenza usebenza ebhizinisini lakhe. So that's something that we need to remind ourselves all the time. Kuti abantu esibajoyinisile, yebo basemathimini wethu, yebo baba business partners wethu, kodwa umuntu nomuntu usebhizinisini lakhe. So if I decide ukuhlala ungakhathazeki ngaye, uhlele kwelakhe ibhizinisi, hayi lakho. Wena lakho haphuma uyo recruit abantu abasha, ugijime nabo, udevelope ama-leaders amasha. Then ungayitholi uhleli ucomplaina ngokuthi nabo i-team kodwa abasebenzi. Cha, lokho aloye akusi-team yakho lo ungasebenzi. I-team yakho i-determine uwe ukuthi urecruiter kangakanani. Lo khona eteamini yakho kodwa is not a team player. Awumbali ma-counter ilona i-team yakho, because i-team abantu usebenzisana nabo, but umuntu ojoyinile uyilunga la ekhaya kodwa akasi-team player ngoba akayenzi lokho sithi siyakwenza as i-team. Then uzoba umthwalo, you see, ukuze angijakuxoshwana la ekhaya, uyamyeka, uzomsiza ngepace yakhe, kodwa phuma ufuna abantu abasha ozogijima nabo. Ngiyakutshela, if you can bring that kind of attitude kulo nyaka, lo nyaka umsebenzi wakho sewi-halfway, inyaka seyi-halfway, yes, already halfway, but I'm telling you, could the last remaining half of 2026, umsebenzi uzoba lula for wena. Because angeke usathwala anyone in your team. Uyosebenza nalo usebenzayo, usapotekayo, ushiye osalayo. Not ngoba ungazamile, uzama konke ungakubasiza, but mabangafundiseki, still ungazistress ngabo, undlulele phambili, uzirecruitela abantu abasha, usebenze nabantu abasha. So ukujoyinisa njalo ungarelax, ufaka abantu abasha njalo, kukusiza lapho ukuthi akunala khona uzohlala ucomplaina ngokuthi abasebenzi. So ngoba unabantu abasha abadinga usizo lakho bonke, uhlala ubhizi, lokho kuyakusiza kakhulu ukuthi ungacomplain, ufocuse ku-the right areas, because la ufocusa khona ila attention yakho iyakhona, leyo area izokhula. La ufocus khona ila attention yakho iyakhona. Your attention is your energy. So where you focus is where your energy will go. Where your energy goes will grow. So if ufocus ku-team abantu abaseteamini abangasebenzi, i-energy yakho iyakuphi? Iya kulabantu abangasebenzi. My energy yakubantu abangasebenzi kukhula inani labantu abangasebenzi. So mawuhlala urecruiter noma unabantu bangasebenzi kodwa wena ifocus yakho uthi ethi ngifaka abantu abasha ngithole le hlobo engilifunayo. Ifocus yakho ilapho. Ekufakeni abantu abasha uthole people who are teachable, people who are hungry, people who are willing to do whatever it takes to be successful. Your energy will go towards that which you are focused on. Lelo hlangothi lizokhula. If you focus kubantu abasha because ufuna ukuthola abantu aba-committed kuloko abakufunayo uze ugijime nabo babe successful nawe ube successful, lelo hlangothi lalolo hlobo labantu lizokhula. You'll end up having more active people who know what they want, who are willing to pay the price for their success, and day in, day out, they are investing time in their businesses because they attend trainings like this. They know what they're supposed to do, and they're willing to do it and make the necessary sacrifices to make sure that they do more activities that will result in sales and new people joining their teams. So lokho ke ila amandla empumelelo ebusiness lethu alele khona. So mawufuna ukuphumelela asifundise keni and then siyenze, then sizowathola ama results esiwafunayo. That's the beauty about our business. Ayi ngokuthi uspecial cha. And how do you judge i-level yakho ye-knowledge ebusiness bakwethu? Judge i-level yakho ye-knowledge ye-business ngama-results webhizinisini yakho. Ayikho into yokutshela iqiniso kundlula ama-results wakho. So that's the beauty about this business. Checka umsebenzi wakho ukuthi ungakanani, and then ama-results owa-achievayo ngenyanga akutshela ulevel ulwazi onalo ebhizinisini lakho. Then focus ukukhuliswa ulwazi nezenzo. Ucheck the more ukhula ngolwazi, the more ukhula ngezenzo, the more ama-results nawo enze njani ekhula. Thank you so much and welcome. Ngiyakhola akhumbuzile abantu bethu ukuthi basijoyine. Ndipo welcome Notolani. And then Lwandile Sangoni usijoyina from Rayfield Epitori. Welcome Lwandile. And then Bekamaseko is joining us from Crystal Park, Binoni. Welcome. Tabon Pachele joining from Tembisa, 1632. Welcome. Sister Zuma is joining us from Secunda, Mpumalanga. Welcome, leaders. And Juliet Masango is joining us from Secunda as well. Welcome. And then Sophia from Midrand. Okay, Sophie, welcome, Wanesu. Kate is joining from Mambisa, Etembisa, 1632, I hope. Right. Also, Priscilla Mshala joining us from Primrose, Jimmy Steen. Welcome, leaders. Welcome. Let's get to tonight's session. I hope everyone managed to remind their downlines to log in and be part of the session. So always, Maungena, check your 5 key people. We say recruit 5 key people, work with 5 key people. Check if your 5 key people are here. If they're not here, remind them. If they don't join on, and check them even after. With my leader, I didn't see you. Good to nice training session. So we have to account. Diamonds, let us say that start. Abantu abafuna ku account. If we don't want to account, I'm telling you, if you're afraid ukuthi mawubonisa into wrong, you feel bad, then usewulimele ngeke ukhule, because sikhula ngokuthi silungiswe amaphutha. If ungafuni ukuboniswa amaphutha, then ngeke ukhule ngoba uzokwata, yabona, mothi uyacorrectwa uzokwata, and then mawukwata wenza njani, ingqondo yakho iswitcha off. You'll never pay attention mawucorrecta ukwata, because kuya ngawe wena uright uyazidefenda. Isign yokukwata mawucorrecta wenze into wrong ukuthi you take a defensive posture. So mawuthatha i-defensive posture, lo psychologically ithi uright kule position okuyona, so you'll never change. So kanti ma umuntu teachable, umuntu ukhona ukuziyehlisa, if ucorrectwa, you will humble yourself and pay attention and analyze ukuthi na is there a point kulokhu, uanalyze ubone, ungasheshi ku-react. Just go and analyze a little bit and see ukuthi whoa, is there a point or they're being unfair to me? So if ubona ukuthi I know they have a point kulokhu, then we are khona ku-address leyo weakness. Okay, it means I'm not doing well here. What is the advice? Then and you go and do as you were told to do to improve your situation. So kanjalo uyakhula. So ungasabi correction. Lithi iBhayibheli kulabo abafundi iBhayibheli, a wise man take counsel if they are corrected, but the opposite of the wise man uyakwata if are correct. So it ikuonisha ukuthi ungazami uhamba ufuna ukucorrecta wonke umuntu. Cheka uhlobo lomuntu ovucorrectayo ukuthi na umuntu othatha kindly ku correction, ukuze ungahambi ushayisana nabantu abangadingi i-correction yakho. So correct, the right people will take it kindly and go and correct and improve and grow and achieve. So that's very key. Recruiter is siza lapho. Replace uMamphanga. I remember abanye benamazi Sylvia masifika kule business, we used to attend their trainings. So she used to say, replace umuntu unaye esebenza. It didn't make sense to me ngaleso sikhathi because basesemusha. Makakhuthaza ngokurecruiter athi recruiter ureplace abantu onabo bekhona basasebenza. Don't wait until abantu bakhathala and stop working. Then you'll be in trouble. Mawufela wakhe team entsha ungasana team. So meaning recruit continuously. If someone akhathala endleleni na someone or serious ongasebenza naye. So that really, as I grew in knowledge and experience of business, it started making sense. With the low mama she had a point. She had really a point. Which is the approach mawufuna impumelelo ebhizinisini laka forever. Ungawabi worried ngokuthi nabantu abangaka abasha abasebenzayo, kubeka urecruiter wena une-1,000 yabantu abasebenzayo recruiter. Uthi ophelelwa amandla endleleni awuqale ngokuyofuna abanye ukuba replace. Bakhona khona la uvele decide ukuthi lesikhathi bengichitha ngapha ithi ngiyosichitha ngapha nomunye umuntu. So ibalekile kabakwethu ukuthi sisebenze silethe abantu abasha inyanga nenyanga. So iJune nansi kabakwethu njengoba what is your approach to June? Because kwamanje kuzoba kuyi-month end, zoba sesistressa ngama-forces, stressa ngama-target wethu wenyanga. If approach yethu asiqali kahle, that's the challenge. So the way uqala ngayo inyanga idetermine ukuthi uyoqeda kanjani. Bakwethu leyo ungayithatha kancane. Your approach la ekuqaleni ine-impact yokuthi lekugcineni kuyoba njani. If ungaqala kahle, your chances yokuthi ekugcineni kuhambe kahle ayakhula. So ibalekile kakhulu ukuthi qala ngepace, usete itone ngale pace yaloko ufisa ukuachieve kuJune wakho. So I've sent these 5 key activities that guarantee results this June. Number one, recruiting. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngayo bakwethu. Ukurecruiter. If unga-recruit bakwethu, there's no growth. So, checker, this is what we spoke about with training ya Sunday, I believe. Shintanga is still the same. Kumele recruit, kumele udayise product. Because these two, recruiter, nokudayisa ama product, uthengisa, that generates CCs. Bakwethu, we cannot run away ngokuthi i-business lethu yini ebalekile ezokusiza uachieve amaphupho wakho, ama-case credit. Yonke into oyifisayo yofezekisa ama-case credit. Ungakhohlwa umuntu. If ujoin forever, ufuna impumelelo, focusa kuma-case credit. Be obsessed ngama-case credit. So sifundisa kakhulu abo manager, but mangikhuluma nawo wonke umuntu ngihlala ngithi observe ama manager and then uyenze lokho ama manager abakwenzayo. And then ngikhumbuze ukuthi check abo manager aba serious abaphumelelayo, they are obsessed ngama case credit. And bayenza ukuthi ilanga lokuqala mayivula i-product center base product center, check ukuthi bayenzani, bathenga istoko, baregister abantu abasha, bafaka ama-case credit. Check every week abantu ozohlangana nabo mawufana nami umuntu oye-product center almost every week, 2 times or 3 times a week. Abantu ohlangana nabo frequently every day uya, mostly are managers. We already know our manager who are highly likely going to achieve incentive ku 2026. Sibabona kanjani, sibazi kanjani. Because mase product center sibathole a product center. That's the secret. Leaders who are working on something, my leaders, it's easy to tell kutubani. It's not magic, bakwethu. It's not magic. Success is predictable. I'm telling you, there are leaders that I know, makufika ku-chairman's bonus bazoba khona, makufika ku-global rally bazoba khona, makufika ku-lona top performers in SADC bazoba khona. Ngazi kanjani, mangise product center, they are always there as well. So if ihlangano ilapho, so kuma-assistant supervisors nabo supervisor, lento sihlala sixoxa kuma-manager ukuthi hey manager, kubalulekile uye-product center ngokwakho kunokuthumela. Yebo ukuthumela kuyasiza uma ubambekile ukuthi bakuphathele, but there's something special about being at the product center on your own. So kuma-assistant supervisors esinawo kule session, namo supervisor nabo assistant manager bakwethu, it's the same nakuwe. It's not for managers kuba a product center. It's for every leader, everyone who want to be successful. Ziyele product center. Fundisa abantu bakho kuye product center. Fundisa independence. Sometimes siyanispoila la itimini ngoba siyanithengela istock. Then iba worse ma umuntu vela ngasafuni nokufunda kuye product center. But what I can guarantee you ukuthi you'll never be successful unless you learn to go to the product center. Because kunama lesson bakwethu that you cannot find anywhere else. Those lessons, you learn them by being at the product center a month end, especially. Even being there on weekly basis as well count. But being there the month end, that's why ngiba surprised mangine manager teamini yami ngendlela engifundisa ngayo avela ahlala ngaze product center kwi month end. Ngiyadabuka kakhulu ukuthi yabona lona akafundiseki ngoba ngiyafundisa bakwethu. All leaders month end angazi angikhathilekile ukuthi kwenzakalani. If you serious ngempumelelo uzoba i-product center. If so, you understand that business lab. ibaluleke ngaleyo ndlela indawo. If ufuna ukuba this business can make you a millionaire, my diamonds. This business will make you a millionaire. Can make you a millionaire. Bangaki la group bebakhona, give me number one. If we're call Cape Town, please just put number one in the comment section. If we're call Cape Town, or which follow ukuthi kwenzakalani eCape Town laphana kuma social media, put one with the comment section. Because ngifuna ukukhuluma nani nina benikhona or enifollowing, but nani beningekho, nani ningafollowanga, kodwa kukhona enizokufunda. So okay, ngiyabonga those ones kulaba bebekhona ikhipana laba bebangekho baye bafollowa online. And then bakwethu ngoba lokho kubalekile ngizokhuluma ngakho bakwethu. Abanye abantu understand business abayijoinile. Ngiyabonga Ntate Mphahlele. Yeah, he was there. Zanele, thank you. I remember nina beniswima nasemanzini abandayo ngeke ngikhohle. Ngibone ama-video. Please come hlala. Thank you OC. Tembe Kamaseko, thank you leadership. Zoom user, angazi Zoom user ukuthi ubani shem. Ivele Zoom user. Lwandile, thank you so much. Mam Skodi, thank you. Mam Tanti and Kolani, thank you. Nokubonga, thank you. Mam Joyce Malungana, thank you, my leader. Mam Fikile Masemula, thank you, Mkaya. Okay. Yebo kunjalo Zanele, nina niswima emanzini Atlantic ibanda kushisa. Manje nina nidumela kubanda, ningena kubanda kumanzi abandayo ngathi lezi iy'teringi phela. Iy'teringi amazakhe ngiyawasaba ngoba abanda kushisa. Okay, awuSophie Zoom user. Okay, ngwanesikuyalebuha. So, okay, those that were in Cape Town, you saw the checks. But wait, when it comes to chairman's bonus, you need to understand, I know this is what we train managers, but today, if you are in this session, you are very lucky because chairman's bonus, bakwethu, is ultimate, forever. If we join money, if you join to make money, chairman's bonus is the ultimate. It's where your focus should be. Because that's where you see people become instant millionaires. Majority of those that went on stage, I'm a check wabo 300,000 kuya phezulu. Yes, they were fortunate ukuthi ibe regional, ibe 4. Normally ngabe ikale le 500,000 kuya phezulu, but a stage ikale ku 300,000 kuya phezulu. But laba kuye kwaphuma iguphu makubasa stage kwabonisa iguphu laphana la kuphuma isigubhu esiphelele. Isigubhu esiphelele, it was 100,000 US dollars. So 100,000 US dollars is let me just quickly do the calculation. Oh, move the calculator. The calculator all the time. I just want to show you something, diamonds. Just that 100 by 17.5 or 1.7 million. Because exchange rate to like South Africa, yes, it's 1.750 million. It's almost 2 million. Now when this group is just a fool, that person checking like 1.750 million. 1.75 million. Lo when uphuma amalona ayi-2, igroup eziwu-2, usho ukuthi is more than 3 million. Okuphuma igroup eziwu-5, I think beyigcwaliswa igroup ezingakhi ziwu-6. Screen ngathi besigcwalisa u-6, angisakhumbuli kahle. Ngizongicorrect ama-diamond benikhona. So okuphume igroup eziwu-6 kuya phezulu ungaphezu kwa-10 million, because igroup eziwu-6 is 10 million and a half. 10 million and a half. Uphume ikhuphe ezo 6. So that 10 million yokuthi usebenze kahle for 12 months from January 2025 to December 2025. Njengoba sisebenza ku-2026, January 2026 to December 2026, kuwakhiwa lawo macheke futhi. So if ujoyinele imali, ngeke udlale ngendaba ama-case credit. Ngeke udlale ngendaba ye-knowledge yokuthi bathi kune-training unga-attend. Masithi asiyenze lokhu asi-attende usikwatele. Masithi why unga-attendanga usikwatele. Why ungayenza ama-presentation usikwatele. Lokho is-sign yokuthi your why. The reason why you are doing this business is not strong enough. Bakwethu, why yakho ibaluleke ngendlela esimangaliso because awuna boss lana, ngeke sithi siyakuxosha or siyakupanisha ngoba awuyenzanga something. Your why iyo ekuphushayo ukuthi masithi kuyenziwa lokhu for ukuthi uphumelele because ngempela uyayifuna le mpumelelo, ufuna ukuzibona uphila leya mpilo, ufuna uzibona udriver leya moto, uhlala kuleya muzi, ufundisa ingane zakho kulesiya sikolo, owner lela business ufuna ukulifinance ngama-million ozowayenza lapha forever because unaleyo why wakho omkhulu. Kuba lula ukuthi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenziwani uphushe uyenze leyo nto ngoba ugijimise ukuthola lo why wakho. So if your why is big enough, I'm telling you, my leader, it becomes so easy ukusebenza nawe. So mawubona uphushwa, uyaphushwa most of the time, izokushaya ngokuthi kusho ukuthi why wakho akekho strong. Reason ukuthi your why is not strong enough. So if your why is not strong enough, ngiyakutshela uba i-wheelbarrow ephushwa njalo. Uyoba i-wheelbarrow ephushwa njalo, mayibekwa ihlala lapho ilinde lo oyibeke lapho uzobuya azoyithatha. Then baze bakuphushe bakubeke la, uyohlala lapho ulinde futhi. Okubeke lapho ufanele abuye azokuphusha futhi. Then ibhlungu ngendlela esimanga, my leaders, because then uba umthwalo kulo leader wakho. But if une why strong, close kwinhliziyo yakho, i-why yakho ikunikeza sleepless nights, I'm telling you, uba umuntu olula ukusebenza naye because awuphushwa i-sponsor ngakuza kuma-activities, uphusha ilo why wakho ufunayo. Iyazwakala, my leaders. Please give me number 2 if so far uyangizwa ukuthi ngingakushiyi kakhulu. If uyangizwa, put number 2 lapha ku-comment section. Ukuthi masuka la, we want to make this month the most successful month ever. Asiyenze ukuthi unyaka wakho bewungakaqali kahle, asiyenzeni le nyanga ibe your best month ever. Yenzani, asiyenzeni ulona uJune, the first month of the rest of your year. Let this be the first month of the rest of your year, my leaders. Yebo, asekho into esingayenza ngoMay, February, May, April, March, February, January. There's nothing you can do there. But June, there's a lot we can do. And then for the number 2, Tuyangizwa. And then thank you so much, Zanele, Miss Rodi, our Sophie, and then Sister Zuma, Nonhlanhla Sithole, Mkhaya Fikile, Andy Ntlolani, Nomsa, Lwandile, Nokubonga, Priska Mhlala. Thank you so much, Nomsa Mdinga. Thank you, my leaders. Tebogo Matatela. Thank you, Wanesu. Thank you, my leader. So, Kate, thank you so much. Oh, so leaders so far, yeah, so good. Which slide do you see? Tell me if I just changed the slides or updated the slides. Tell me what slide are you seeing in the comment section. If someone can quickly type, what is it saying as the headline on the slide that is on the screen right now? It will tell me if you want the right slides I managed to change. Because sometimes I change the slides and then they don't change. Okay, that's good. What is your why? Perfect. My leaders, your why. Thank you so much, for your response, and then thank you, Sister Zuma, for your response, and also Fiji Lebramaneshu for the response. Your why is everything, my leaders. I'm telling you, as soon as you reconnect with your why, you need to reconnect with your why, my leaders. Mawusogijima nomuntu owaziyo why they are doing this business. Ibayenza umsebenzi babe ube lula. My leaders, I'm telling you, sonke as leaders fisa ukuba namadawulana aziyo why they are doing this business. Because kulula ukugijima nomuntu owaziyo ukuthi ngifuna imali mina. Ngifuna ukudrive imoto ezinhle. Ngifuna imfundo yabantwana. Ngifuna ukuba nemizi emihle. Mina ngijoyinele ukuthi ngitravel umhlaba. Mina ngijoyinele ama-Champions bonus. Ngifuna ukuthola ama-check amamiliyoni. Mina ngifuna ukurecognizewa nje kuphela ngiziyele istage ngiye ku-success day ngibele istage bangishayela izandla ngifuna i-recognition nalokhu mina ngizifuna zonke. Loyo futhi ilawathi bafuna kakhulu ukuthi ngifuna imali, ngifuna imoto, ngifuna ukufundo, ngifuna imizi, ngifuna ukutravel umhlaba, ngifuna ama-check, ngifuna noku-recognition. Yilabo esibafuna ngempela, because I'm telling you, if your why is big enough, indaba yokuthi kumele sikhulume nabantu ensuku every day, it becomes small. Indaba yokuthi kufanele uhlale kuma-Zoom kubanda, it becomes small. Indaba yokuthi sometimes kumele ucorrectwe, akusimnandi ukucorrectwa bakwethu uma uwenze into wrong. But uma ufuna ukukhula kumele you allow it to happen, ucorrectwe, then ulungise, ufundiseke nawe, then ulungise lokho laba uboniswa khona. Because uma ulungisile uwe uzo-enjoy ama-benefit, ama-result mawangena. Kanti uma ufaka ikhanda emhlabathini ngobathi ostrich, mayibona into engayithandi izifihla ngokuthi ifihle ikhanda layo, izivala amehlo ngofaka ikhanda emhlabathini. Indaba yokuthi awuyiboni inkinga, ayisusi le nkinga ikhona, isamile. Uma uyi-avoid angafuni ukuyi-confront awuyilungisa, then uhlala ustakile nenkinga yakho, iya ngokukhula inkinga engalungiseki. So, but if une-why onkulu ngamtshela i-minor thing indaba yokuthi mangicorrectile futhi uzojabulela i-correction because iyakukhulisa ikusheshisiza ukuthi u-achieve what you want to achieve in your business. So please reconnect to your why. Reconnect to your why, my leaders, because the faster you reconnect to your why, I'm telling you, you are going to become unstoppable. As soon as you reconnect to your why, my leaders, you will become unstoppable. You can trust me on that one. People who know what they want, I'm telling you, it's easy to work with someone who knows why they're doing this business. Because that's what I love about people who know their why. They push you as a sponsor. In a presentation, says the logo, please izongisupporta, izani izongisiza ngalokhu, yeyi nginabantu, izani endlini ngelanga elithize, yeyi ngicela siyosiza i-downline lami silontshe u-downline wami. Because why ayenza lezi zinto uphusha ukuthi ufuna leya why wakhe, ufuna loya why wakhe. So bakwethu, I'm telling you, uba crazy mawuqala ube no why, u-why wakhe makabe mkhulu. U-why wami omkhulu manje is multiplying my ilona sources of income. I'm really crazy about that. That's where my focus is. It was just extra 3,000, which we achieved the first launch. Last year's the presentation as a car. Sathenga sama product andlu 3,000 from lapho besikona uthenga sama product more than 3,000. So siyenza more than 3,000, siyenza more than 10,000 siya ngokukhulu. Si-achieve nalokho, then igoal yesibili bekutraveler umhlaba. I always share with you ukuthi nonkosikazi we've been all over the world. We've been all over the world forever. Some of you know. Manje nje ngabe sithi sibuya eDubai, yebo akusavumanga ngezimpi, but besise Cape Town. And besihamba namadodakazi eCape Town. And bekuhle futhi besine team yethu ngobuningi eCape Town. Angisakhumbuli omunye angibhalele besingaki konje eCape Town. I think we did share ukuthi besingaki. I remember ngathi I did share with number 8 totally besingaki eCape Town. It was a very impressive number. We did count, head count. So manje our why is creating multiple sources of income. You see, ngiyenza ama-presentation ngigula, ngiyenza ama-training phethwe yi-flu. Sometimes ngiyakethwa ikhanda, uthola ngihleli la ngikhuluma nani ngishawa ikhanda. Ngiyakhumbula some few days ago ngenze enye i-training ngishawa ikhanda linye lizima kabi because of le flu yokuthi iyaphuma iye i-trigger something ibuye uma ngale uthi iphelile iyabuya. So kodwa because of lo why wami, I need to build top performing leaders who are 6-figure income earners. That's my goal. Because now my goal of creating multiple sources of income, if I develop leaders who are making money in their businesses, that is why I'm becoming harder and harder. Why? Because I need to produce good quality leaders. Angifuna amafokong. Mawufuna impumelelo go forever, need to produce ama-leader aphumelelayo. So masithintana ngama soft gloves, soft gloves. Angeke sikhule. Yabona. So sometimes as a leader, uyadinga kuba harsher. Hayi all the time, but sometimes you need to tell people the truth. Into esibambelelayo abantu sihlase stuck singamuvi ukuthi sisugarcoat kakhulu. Sinesa ama-feeling kakhulu. Lokho kungaba kuhle khona kuba ngathi siyakuthanda, but reality mase siku-sugarcoat singasakutsheli amaqiniso. Inkinga ile ukuthi ke you are not going to grow. You are not going to grow. Because asukutsheli amaqiniso. So that's the issue. Sifuna ukukhula, we have to tell you the truth. Noma iqiniso lingasemnandi. Liyenza ukuthi ucorrect, ma ucorrect uthola ama-results. So because this is my why am I sharing all this? Ngifuna nawe connected to your why. Ukuthi kube lula kusebenza nawe. Check if this June you have your why in front of your face. What slide do you see now? Please write in the comment section what slide do you see on my screen. Let's communicate. Because there's a lot of meaning in that slide for me. but I want to give it an interpretation so that it can have a very strong meaning for you. Thank you, Sis Sophie, multiple sources of income. Thank you so much. Sister Zuma, Zanele, thank you so much, my leaders, Nomsa. Luandile, thank you, my leaders. Yeah, so multiple sources of income. It's a slide, it's on my presentation. I share that with everyone. I share this slide, my presentation one. Why? I tell everyone now I'm working on creating multiple sources of income. Man present. Anyone who ever attended my presentation will ask me. I'll always tell people what is my why now. I'm not just doing it for them. Yes, it is important that people should know because you are helping them also connect to their why. But I'm also reminding myself, let's screen lesson is begile. On my left route now, on left side of my desk, kune poster A3, sorry, A1. A1 is the largest. Normally, I'm a printer, we print. I'm a printer makulu. A1. In the A1 poster, you could see so huge. We missed it. On my left, you have this slide. So this slide is not just on my presentation slides. It's also on the wall next to my desk, lang sebenza khona. Because mangihleli lana, I'm reminded why ngihleli la. Ngiremindwa ile slide, my why. So I'm always connected to my why. I know that now I'm working on a farming project. Busy a farming project kwamanje. So mangibona le slide isiyangikhumbuza ukuthi yay, you need to build a massive team of top performing leaders who are six-figure income earners and also who are on their way to become chairman's bonus qualifiers. Because if I can build lo hlobo labantu eliyenza imali kwa forever, nami ngizothola imali ezofezekisa amaphupho wami kalula. So because ngine-intention yokuthi ngibe nama-investment in all these industries that you see on the slides, I have to work hard so that I can have piece of a pie in all these industries and investment options. So I need to remind myself my why I'm ngiyenza forever yami. Kungakho noma ngiphethwe ikhanda ngizoza ngihlalela ngitrain because I need to develop those top performing leaders who are six-figure income earners. Sometimes I have to be harsh. I don't like being harsh, but I have to be harsh, tell you the truth. Why? I want you to correct your ways and become one of those top performing leaders. Yes, it's about helping you achieve your dream, becoming the best that you can become. It's also for selfish reason because mangukusiza uphumelela nami ngizophumelela. Inhle forever. Lokho kwenzela umunye umuntu for ukuthi aphumelele kuyabuya kuwe kuphindaphindiwe isikhathi masihamba. Abantu baphumelela ngobuningi, the more successful you become. I hope you understand, my leaders. Please give me number 4 in the comment section if you are why ngi-emphasize lokho ngiku-emphasizayo. Give me number 4 if niyangizwa. Thank you so much, Zanele. Thank you, Sister Zuma Tebogo. Thank you, Sophie. Rwandile. Thank you, my leaders. You see, what I'm doing is to empower you so that you can become a top leader. Nomsa, thank you. Joyce Malungana, thank you. Nomsa, we have 2 Nomsas. We have Nomsa, period, and we have Nomsa Dinga. Thank you so much, my leaders. So, very, very, very important. So, connect your why. Because if I can help you connect to your why, half of my job is done. because ngeke usafuna ukuphushwa yimi, uzobe uphusha uwayi wakho, uzobe udinga usizo lwami because ufuna ukuzibona uhlala kuleya ndlu yakho, ufuna ukubona ushayela leya moto yakho, ufuna ukuzibona utravel umhlaba, ufuna ukuzibona ufundisa iy'ngane zakho kulesa sikole ufuna ukuzifundisa kuzo, ufuna ukuzibona owner lela bhizinisi lakho. So uzodinga ukuthi hey baba Skhodi, siyenza nini i-presentation yangapha, siyenza nini i-training yangapha, because kuze sithole lezi zinto esiyitholayo kule nyanga yakaJune bakwethu, we need to connect to ilona the 4 core. We need to recruit to connect to the 4 core: recruitment, retention, productivity, and development. Very important. Those 4 core bakwethu zibaluleke ngendlela esimanga. If June is to be successful, if we stick to activity azoyenza ukuthi sirecruite, singarecruit kuphela bahlale bakhule labantu esibarecruitile. Because if these people bayahlala ebhizinisini, we retain them, then we will be able to produce the leaders we want to produce. So ibalulekile kakhulu ukuthi we recruit. So uku-recruit abakwethu, we need to add. Okay, let me quickly share this in the group. Yeah, A4 core. Bakwethu, this is very, very important. I-focus yethu, oh, ngifakile, okay, there we go. Ngifakile, okay, yeah, ngifakile nanso iyavela. Right, yes, okay, good. Now, A4 core. I-4 core, bakwethu, sizoqula lo nyaka will be singing 4 core. Because if ungamaster at this 4 core, le slide siyangiphazamisa ngoba sibhalwe ngesiyani esinye ngasitholi kahle. Ngifanele ngisivele ngisilungise ngisasela kuso. So the 4 core bakwethu leaders, it's about recruiting. Let's look at recruiting. You need to add new people every week. Actually, work on your name list daily. Build your contact list. You will get this on the slide in share grouping. You might not have a slide with screen, but that picture is petalento. So add a new people every week in your team. Build your contact list daily, your who do you know list. I call every day. Faka at least 2 or more people. Mafunu fast, tola 5 new names every day. Invite abagwethu. Invite her every day. Show. Yenza i-1-on-1 every day. That's showing. Bonisa multi-business. Bonisa abantu ama-benefits we-products. Ibaluleke ngendlela esimangaliso. And then aim for consistent personal recruiting. Unga-recruiting ngoKhisimusi kuphela bakwethu. Iphutha elikhulu esiliyenzayo lokuthi si-recruiter masijabulile. Ezinye inyanga whether si-recruitile or si-recruitanga akunandaba. Lelo iphutha elikhulu bakwethu. Angishumayezi nina, ngizishumayeza nami. Because masingabamba lapho recruited every month my leaders. Ngiyakutshela kuba lula ukulona ukuthi i-team yakho ikhule. Ngoba usheshe ubathole labantu abafundisekayo la eteamini yakho kunokuthi i-team yakho or abantu baluze ifocus eteamini, kumele uqale phansi uyofuna abantu. Iphutha elikhulu kufanele abantu basebekhona khona la eteamini. Kumele ube nabantu abaningi bokuthi awukhoni nokubasiza bonke. Umuntu makaphuma already someone vele udinga usizo lakho. So awunaso i-stress sokubalisa ngomuntu odlalayo, undlulele phambili already. Because there's someone anyway bekadinga usizo. Mhlawumbe noma bewumsiza but bengakhona ukumsiza ngalelo zinga ngoba isikhathi sakho si-divided among a lot of people. So ophumayo, it's a relief for you because you can pay attention kulaba aba-serious kakhulu onabo. Yebo uyaqhubeka uletha abanye abasha, but already you have people to work with. You don't have to go and look for new people. While you are continuing looking for new people, but already within the team, there are those that desperately really need your assistance because they know why they joined this business and their why is so important to them that they want to realize their why. So they do whatever it takes to be successful. So mawatshela ukuthi kwenziwa lokhu nalokhu ukuthi umuntu abe successful, abanaso isikhathi sokumosha. They just want to know yini ebalekile kumele siyenze and then bayayenza because bapushwa yini lama results bawafunayo. That's the beauty ukuhlala kuba neteam enkulu. Then awungeke ubaswele abantu abaziyo ukuthi bafunani. Uhlala unabo and awunaso nawe isikhathi sokuconcentrate kubantu abangayenzi kahle. That's the beauty ukuthi asirecruiting kakhulu. So sihlala sikhuza abo manager ukuthi yeke ucomplaina abantu. You can solve every problem onayo ebhizinisi lethu ngokurecruit. So nani leaders, I'm telling you the same today. I'm teaching you the same, I'm telling you the same. Indaba ila kufoko. Siya recruit every month, then retention. Ukuze abantu bahlale labasibafakayo, teach them attendance bakwethu. If you want to retain people, ebhizinisini lakho bangayeki, fundisa i-attendance. Fundisa abantu bakho ku-attenda. Umuntu o-attendayo iyakhula, my leaders, nge-knowledge nangama-skills iyakhula. Umuntu o-attendayo uhlala ne-high energy level. So akadingi motivation, they are always motivated because ucheck mawuphuma ku-training uyashisa, unama-ideas we-business. Uzobe wazi ukuthi kumele ngifonele bani, kumele ngiyenze appointment kuphi, kumele ngibone bani, kumele ngipresentela bani, kumele ngikhulumele downline yami siyenze lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Imandla uku-attend ama-training. So retention, abantu bakuma ba-attenda, they will stay. And then number two, abantu aba-attendayo ngoba bayayithengisa i-product, so imali uyayibona. Uyayidla i-product, i-confidence yakhula nge-product because uyawabona ama-results. So enye retention belula mabantu bakho bathola ama-results. Mawusheshe umlontsha umuntu wakho amema bomakhelwane abangane uyompresentela athengisa i-product, uyayibona imali ingene. So uyayibona ukuthi iyathengiseka le product. So mawujoyinisa abantu ungabakhuthazi kumema bomakhelwane abangane uyobalontsha. Bayibona kanjani ukuthi iyathengwa ngempela le product. Uzobe zama ayedwa amusha angana experience, ahlangana nama rejection, aza give up athi hayi wazi abantu abathengi, abantu abajoyini. But wamfundisa kumema abantu uye uyobapresentela ngenxa ye-experience yakho uzoyithengisa i-product, then uzojoyinisa. Ngimangani abantu onesponsor esithi asiyenza ama-presentation angawayenzi. Emva kwethu isibusiso kuba nesponsor esifuna ukukusiza kuma-presentation wakho. Wazi kunabantu abafuna kuwayenza lama-presentation but they don't have sponsors who are willing to help them. Badinga usizo, abanye baze bayoqala nama-leader kwamanye ama-team, but ayikho i-leader ezoyeka umsebenzi wayo izoyenzela omunye umuntu wasethimini enye ama-presentation. Bazothi hayi ungamema abantu basinama-presentation, you are allowed to attend, but ngeke ngisuke ngishiye umsebenzi wami ngizoyenza umsebenzi wakho unesponsor sakho. ngizokusiza la konkusiza khona nge-information. So ufuna abantu bakho bathole ama-result, abantu bakho mabathengise, abantu bakho abajoyinise. Lokho bayakhula nemali bayayibona. Makajoyinisile uthola 1,693 within 10 days. That 1,693 ngena within 10 days aqeda ukujoyinisa lo muntu. So uyamkhuthaza bathe kunemali kwa-forever, akayizwa kuphela uyayibona ingena ku-account. So izokusiza nge-retention. So umuntu wakho maka-attenda, number 1, number 2, and then adayisa i-product, number 3 ajoyinisa. Izinto zomenza ukuthi a-attende, huwe u-emphasize ukubaluleka koku-attenda, ungayeki. Kunama-leader ukuthi ngihamba basebanonyaka banami, ngiqula iqulelo u-1 ukuthi kubalulekile ku-attenda. Abanye banabo 2 years banami, ngiqula iqulelo u-1 ukuthi kubalulekile ku-attenda. Ngoba ngazi ngamthola ku-attendeni uzoba successful, uzofunda kulama meeting, uzohlala motivated ngenxa lama meeting, uyo end up athatha more action. Makathatha more action, uyo end up athengisa i-product ajoyinisa abantu, athola ama-result, uzongena imali. My product ihamba kungena imali, makajoyinisa kungena imali. I-team ayikhula, aproduce ama-leaders kungena imali, athola ama-promotion kungena imali. That's my aim. Ngokusho ngikubelesele ngithi attenda. Ngiyazi abanye bayangikwatela ukuthi hey uhlala ngithethisa ngoku-attenda. Ngiyazi mangingawina wafundiseka. Noma ungase ngeke usangitshela mhlambe. Abanye vele mabase baphumelela angeke asabuya azokutshela. But uzokhumbula ukuthi hey muthi ngizibambezele ngabe nginga-attenda sakuqala ukungifundisa sengiwaste unyaka or ngiwaste 2 years. Ngabe lama results asheshile. But ngeke ngiyeke kufundisa ukuthi attenda. And akusiyimi kuphela, akusinto ya Raymond Sogoti. Into yawo every leader iya ku success day bazokutshela ukuthi attenda everything. Mamela u-Oni, our country sales manager, uzokutshela ukuthi attenda everything. Mamela uGreg, the CEO yaka Forever, uzokutshela ukuthi attenda everything. Mamela ulona uAiden, your president, the whole president ophethe Forever yonke. Mamela ama-speeches wakhe azothi attenda every meeting ye-business. Umamele ulona Jean Baptiste Amichia, your vice president for Africa, uzokutshela ukuthi attend. Umamela isponsor sakho esiyenza serious esiphumelelayo. Bakwethu umuntu kumele abe nama-results nawo nyana owafisayo kuba uthisha wakho. So lokhu kuyakubonisa ukuthi unama-results lawa ngiwafunayo, so ngifuna ukufika kule level. So ithi ngimamele ngiyenze because mangiyenza kusho ukuthi ngizowathola lama-result wakhe. Kuyazwakala, kubalulekile kakhulu. So attender, ufundisa i-attenders, bafundisa ukulauncha, bayenza ama-presentation, bafundisa ukuphatha ama-transparent bag, kuba nama-pop-up table, kwenza all the activities, bajoyina i-power hour. How many of us in this session abajoyinayo makune power hour? Or okay wajoyina athi ngingayenzi that rough kakhulu, ithi ngishaye mild. Okay attenda i-power hour, whether we attend live iyenzeka or we attend seyindlulile ucheck ama-recordings egroupini. Ngicela number 5, if uke wa-attenda noma kayi-1 or kayi-2 or kayi-3 power hour. Oh, Juliet Masang, well done leadership. Zanele also attended power hour. Congratulations, leadership. Sister Zuma, okay, we attender. Mam Skodi, okay, we attender. The power hour. But if you funda social media, results, attend that power hour. Kate K, we attend the power hour. Kunefihlakala ku-power hour. Power hour ikufundisa yonke into. Ayikufundisa i-social media kuphela, but ukufundisa nokuthi uthola kanjani abantu. And abakufundisi kuphela niyaphuma niyoyenza, asiyeni ku-Facebook, Instagram, ku-TikTok, siyothola abantu abasha. Siyenze lokho. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, niyabuya nizonikeza i-report back. Anifundise a new topic. Manje siyongena sikhomente kuma-post yabantu. then niyaphuma another 5 minutes and manibuya nikeza feedback mina ngicommente kubantu abawu5 mina ngicommente ku2 mina ngicommente ku3 and then ayenze enye training asihambeni manje siyodayisa iproduct poster into nje asihambeni sonke siyoposta usicommunicate nabantu abacommunicate so answer ama-question yabantu ababuze imibuzo maniyenzile niyabuya ninikeza i-feedback asifollowe apeni ubani ofuna ukufonela umuntu wakhe simfake live simmamele makakhuluma nemuntu wakhe then volunteers bayavolontiera ufonele i-customer lakhe axoxe lalo nimamele nonke nifunda ukuthi uthini maka-rejecta loya maka-answera uthini i-powerful kakhulu i-power hour. That is why ngi-emphasize noma yenzeka ngalesikhathi sokuthi abanye abantu basemsebenzini but ma ungakhona please attend. Productivity yiyo lento esikhulumayo. Productivity, if you are attender uyenza ama-launches uyadayisa i-product uzo-recruiter and then uteach abantu bakho ku-attender but they will do everything. Yiyo i-productivity leyo. So izinto ezisebenza ku-retention naku-productivity is the same thing. Doing those, have those daily routine zama-activities. Because i-productivity bakwethu isho ukuthi kunama-activities niyenza ama-presentation, niya-attenda, niya-invita, ni-collecta amagama abantu and then thengisa i-product, niya-stocka, niyajoyinisa. That's productivity because it generates ama-CCs. My month end awusaphathwa ngayi-stress ama-case credit angene during the month. Then if kune-productivity, development is automatic as well. Abantu bazomove ama-level, abantu bazokhula ngelazi, number one bazokwazi ukupresenta. Bakwethu inani labantu abazi ukupresenta etimini yakho libaluleke ngendlela esimangaliso. You'll see that we do a lot of Zooms presentations. On Tuesday, sinesingisi, a team and presenter nayo yesingisi. And then Wednesday, sometimes sinale yesizulu. Masinaphazamiswanga step up. Subane yesizulu. Manje introduce yespade. Because bakhona besiloko bekhala ngespade uthi yanizwa niyapeteresha ngesizulu. Kodwa bakhona manje abangasizwa isiZulu. Manje sesi-ede nespade ukuthi bonke abakhuluma iZitswana, abakhuluma isiSuthu, abakhuluma iPulana, abakhuluma iKhilobedu, abakhuluma ilona sinama dialect amaningi wesisuthu. Wonke masikhuluma iSpedi, umuntu okhuluma iSitswana uyasizwa, ukhuluma isiSuthu uyasizwa, ukhuluma iSipulana uyasizwa, ukhuluma iKhilobedu uyasizwa, ukhuluma isiXhosa uyasizwa. So sikhavara bonke la kwiSpedi. Ngapha esizulwini sazi umuntu okhuluma isiXhosa noma amanye amazwe esiZulu angakawazwe mara majority uyawezwa. UmSwati uyasizwa isiZulu, uXhosa uyasizwa isiZulu. So we cover all those Nguni languages. Basibiza iNguni languages. Kodwa namapedi amanguni phela. AbaTswana, the Sotho Ngunis. But sometimes mabathi manguni ngiyengibone ukuthi abantu abakhuluma isiZulu mabathi manguni bazibalela bona amaZulu, maSwati, maTsonga namaXhosa bathi amanguni. But reality is Pedi Sangunis. Tswana Sangunis as well. So bona bathi Nguni basho komunye umholi wabo wamaZulu ubakabizwa umnguni but ayikali lapho le gama lithi Nguni lisho abantu abaqhamuka lephezulu eAfrika bebabiza amanguni. Yebo amaZulu ayaba nomnguni nawo, so kungakho inzalo yalelo site bayibiza uthi amanguni, but reality sonke sila eAfrika kakhulu eSouthern Africa we are Ngunis, regardless of whether Msuthu, Mzulu, Tsonga. So development, it will take care of itself if it's focused on recruiting, it's focused on retention, the productivity. So we'll produce supervisors, we'll produce managers, we'll produce incentive qualifiers, what chairman's bonus forever to drive a global rally eagle manager. So ifoko iphethe yonke into mawufuna ama-cheque lamakhulu focus kulokho mawufuna ukuthola igubhu nawe ezigcwalisa iscreen bathi igubhu zisasekhona kuphela iscreen kuphela shothi lo muntu uthola umangaka amamiliyoni awagcwalisa iscreen bathi kugcwele iscreen kahle hle bathi igubhu zona besasekhona yilo le business esilijoyinile my leaders. We are in that business. Asibambeni ngezandla zombili. So because ilona bakwethu liphethe yonke into ongayicabanga la emhlabeni. Is that abanikazi bayo abayithathi serious. Abayithathi serious. Hey, Sipulana ntate Mphahlele. Bapulana ke Batswana le Mapedi. Some of the Pedis are actually Tswanas. Batswana le Mapulana, Batswa Kgalagadi ko Botswana. They went to Lesotho. From Lesotho, Mapulana went down to Mpumalanga, Babaton side. And then they moved, they ended up Carolina, where it is called Carolina. Navy Zua Shakwaning. Where is Carolina now in Mpumalanga? That place belonged to the Pulanas as they were coming from Botswana. Then they were attacked by the Swazis working with the Boers. That is why they ended up where they are in Bushbuckridge. They were following that mountain actually as their defense. That's how they won their wars, using the mountain. They ended up staying around that mountain, Yamuhulu in Bushbuckridge. So, but some of them are in Beggarsford, some of them are in Ilona, in Patu, Matividi, Kraskop, those areas, you find a lot of them. But majority of them are the other side of the mountain in Bushbuckridge. So, that's history. Let's make money diamonds. So it's the same thing. My product, let's learn how to present. As I'm closing now, we understand the 4 core. If we focus on the 4 core, June, you need to set it, Ilona, my leaders, know exactly what you are working for. I have a list. Luckily, I have a list of things to focus on recruiting. When it comes to retailing, use the product yourself daily. So that uzoba story share the product and testimonies. And follow up with existing customers. That's how you sell the products. Create repeat customers, meaning follow up, record, abantu bathengiselayo record the pants. Then, okunye set ama-targets ka-June. Write down your targets. How many CCs are you working for this June? And then track your progress daily, weekly. Why most of the time I sleep late? It's because I work until the system updates. They update on 12. Man, you say update on 1 exane. So 1 exane, ngifuna ukubona ama-result ukuthi ama-case credit wosuku ahambe njani. That is why I'm online ngabo 2 exane, angakalali. Some of you will be sleeping mastadalan. I will continue working until ngabo 1. You update the system, then I can see utama case credit ahambe njani wosuku. I monitor case credit every day. Angisho ukuthi ulale ngabo 1 ka lala ngabo 10 uzowabona ekseni mawuvuka. Lala ngalesikhathi wena ulala ngaso ukuthi urest enough abanye benya kwamlungu sasa. So, but always be obsessed ukwazi ukuthi wenza lekaleni ethimini yakho izolo. ngama-case credit if you want to be successful. So monitor those case credits on daily basis. You notice what is slow. Inani manager yami ihamba slow. My new CCs ahamba slow. Bo manager bazong-understand ukuthi new CCs. But wena mawulwela i-supervisor, i-assistant supervisor, yabona sesoloko ngihleli ku-2 CC kuze kuyi-10 manje. Amathuba yami ayaba ngokuba mancane ukuthi ngifike ngo-10 CC ngibe yi-supervisor. Izokwenza ukuthi uphushe if you are monitoring those CCs on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Abantu abangakhathali whether lingenile i-case credit or alingenanga, uyophumelela kade. Kuzokuthatha long to be successful. If you are not worried about your case credit, then focus on daily production activity, productivity activity. Yenza ama-presentation on daily basis. Collect amagama abantu on daily basis. Invite every day. Fonela phuluma nabantu ba-invite kuma-presentation, either way Zoom or kuma-presentation esiwayenza live kuma-venue. And lwela ukuthi inyanga nenyanga ufuna ukushaya i-target yakho. You want to finish strong. And then ungahlali endaweni one. If you are a supervisor right now, my leaders, it will be wise for you to set a goal to become a supervisor by end of this month. Lwela ukuthi lo June ayiphele uyi-supervisor. Ungabi assistant supervisor waya. Fight so that you can close June as a supervisor. If you are a supervisor, lwela ukuthi uvale either we assistant manager or working towards getting to assistant manager next month. Never just work for the sake of working. Ngibheka ama-leader kakhulu, ngimonitora kakhulu abo-manager. So I'm honest with you. I monitor abantu aba-serious abangasama-manager, but I work closely nabo-manager. I monitor the leaders in the team very closely. I check their work almost on daily basis. I know ukuthi ubani ukuphi, ubani akahambi kahle kuphi, so that mangikhuluma nabo ngazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. And then makangimamela ayenza ngazi uzothola ama-result. Mangangimameli nakhona there's nothing. I don't lose anything. It's just that the ngeke bakhulu, unfortunately. So lwela ukuthi mawuyi-assistant manager, lwela kuba yi-manager. Mawuyi-manager, lwela ukuthi ufuna ukuba yi-senior. Kakhulu bo-manager, lwela kuba yi-eagle. I'm sure nibonile ukuthi bengicrazy nge-eagle kule nyanga. Really, I pushed everything ukuthi you stay on track ukuthi niyaqualifya le-eagle. Because ngiyazi ama-manager qualify i-eagle afola kahle. Ama-manager qualify i-eagle ngomunye unyaka bazoyibamba i-chairman's bonus, uzokhula abambe i-chairman's bonus. Umuntu obamba i-eagle uyalakha ibhizinisi lakhe, ukwakha ibhizinisi eli-solid. They are running a solid business. Then mawungaphuma ku-eagle ngazi ukuthi i-manager wami sewusenkingeni because i-eagle idetermine i-success yakho. So lwela kuba yi-eagle mawumanager. Prioritize i-eagle ngayo yonke into onayo. And then siza abantu abanye nabo bakhulu etimini yakho. So I will share these notes again. So I repeat that because I share a lot of powerful information. But mangikhuluma nabantu bami ngiyabona ukuthi shem lo akayihluphi nokuvula igroup akavuli because thola ngibuza into engiyipostile. And then asibe nabo supervisors, develop abo supervisor. Then as developing them kuzophuma ama-manager. Abo supervisor bakhipha ama-supervisor kuphuma ama-manager. And then lokho kwaziyo kufundise. Train, coach and mentor others. Train lokho kuncane ukufundile. I'm telling you, if lokho kufunde namuhla wazama ukukhuluma nama-downline wakho, I believe sonke si-screen grabile ubonile i-attendance ukuthi abobani abalana, abobani bakho abakhona, abobani bakho abangekho. Kubalulekile kakhulu ukwazi lokho, ubani ama-downline wama-attendayo, ubani ama-downline anga-attend. So we understand why that they're not doing certain things right. It's because abazazi. So makufika kuma-product sales bakwethu, if uyidla i-product kuba lula kuyidayisa. If uposta every day ku-social media but awufundekeli abantu ngama-product every day bakwethu, kumele kube ne-variety in your posting. But use your status. Ngiyakutshela ngithi ngiyadumala mangibheka ama-status yama-FBO. Uthola i-FBO linonyaka forever alina-post ku-status, nothing. Even when I share videos, engiwashare kwesami status, ngiyawashare, not all the time, but most of the time I share some of my statuses grouping. Ukuthi ongakakhona ukuzisosela ilona content avela athathe zona lezi engipostile nayapost. Ngiyazi uzofunda kusasa kuzenza le content yakhe. Product launches bakwethu mangayenza ama-presentation ku-launch ama-product usasekude bakwethu la kuyiwa khona. Yenza ama-product launch ma-diamonds. Lwela to do launches. Because ma ubema abantu endlini niyenza ama-presentation lento ina-power. Ngibonile uMampowe bakwethu ukhona lana uyawashaya lama-presentation. Ngibone iy'thombe namuhla egrupini mangifika endlini mangivula ifoni ngibone iy'thombe bakhona noPlana. Yeah, Mampowe let me see. Yeah, angivalanga muntu ngazivula lapho uMamthandi Xolano uvulela umama lapha asixoxele ngoba uyashaya lento ama-presentation. Sibe ne-meeting oyi-1 eMpumalanga sawuhlala phansi sixoxa. From lapho umama unstoppable manje. Uyakhahlela kakhulu. I'm sure niyabona nani lapha uye oholayo ngama-presentation manje. Mampowe.
Sanibonani Diamonds.
Sawubona mama.
Yeah. Hayi
Sifundise sihlephulele kancane.
Mina ngakuzwa kahle babusifoni ukuthi uthini nga-understanda more ngoba sometimes sikuye ngathi siya-understanda siyezwa kanti no khona lokho okuncane okulengayo. So ngakuzwa kahle baba. So into eyenzakalayo kuyazenzakalela and ngiya all over. Yabona mhlawumbe ngisemaplazini kusasa kwelinye iplazi bangifonelile batshelana ukuthi bengilena bathi bathi uthengisa amaphilisi kusasa ngiyalapho ngolosithathu ngiselokishini nje. Lento ifundisayo ukuthi sikhulume nabantu babusifodi. Mina kungisizile nokuthi ngisho umuntu ayi-1 khuluma naye. Uyayibo lokho abesibheke ukuthi thina fanele kube ne-crowd eningi kukhani wenza ibhizinisi. So imfihlo leyo ukuthi ngikulalelile that day ngakuzwa kahle ukuthi uthini ngenza lento ngitshele yona baba. Akukho kunye yiloko okukhulumayo nokuthi uzinikele vele, especially thina esingasebenzi sinesikhathi esiningi sokwenza ama-presentation. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Before uhamba mama, kodwa wena umehluko ubonayo since uyenza ama-presentation ngale ndlela endabeni yakho yokudayisa kuhamba njani nakuthola abantu abathembisa ukujoyina?
Ya ngiyabonga baba ukubuza. Ukuthola abantu bayatholakala baningi kakhulu abajoyinayo ukuthengisa. Ezampulu baba ubonile the way beniloku nisigcugcuzela ukuthi mawuthengise 1.5 thumela ngoba I try ukubeka imali ngahluleka njengoba ngasho ukuthi ngizamile ngibekile imali but igcine seyihlephukile ingqondo ithi hayi uzayigcwaliselela and ayigcwali kunokuthi igcwale yahlephuka since after sengibonile ukuthi lento ohlala usifundisa yona yokuthi mawuno 1000 thumela kithi stock iproduct eli-1 kuyasiza kakhulu njengoba ngiqalile ngenza kanjalo baba. So ngisizakale kakhulu ama-product ayahamba akufani nalokuthi vele kosa mhlawumbe uze uyobeka itafula or hayi vele kosa wenzeni no namhlanje nje sithengise emalini 1.1 emaplazini.
Wow.
1.5 emaplazini
1.5
emaplazini and bebangaphelelanga abantu basemsebenzini bokuba mama nabosisi nje. So wow. Sunday ekseni bathe ngo-8 ngibuye kulabo abasebenzayo nabanye bebayobhalisa abantwana ey'kolweni bayakhulumelana hayi sicela ubuye ngoba abanye abekho Sunday ekuseni ngo-8 at least before abantu baphuma baye enkonzweni. So kwanginika ithembanyana ukuthi uNkulunkulu emuhle nga-highlight-a-ke ngenkampani ukuthi asikuthi ngibathengisele kuphela bangazenzela nawo amathuba ukuthi babe ne-income njengoba babosisi bagcwele emaplazini bahleli bangayenza nga-highlight-a lokho ngikhona ukuku-highlight-a ngebhizinisi. So ukhona vele lo uShamalangabi-ke lo sesi ngoba ngithe noma sengihamba wangibizela eceleni wabuza-ke imibuzo nyana ukuthi manje mawunayo ungakhona ukuthi mhlambe ngibeke i-3,000 ngiyibeke kuwe ngoba imali ayibekeki bese inyanga elandelayo sengenza le enye. Ngathi hayi kukuwe uthola umuntu ogazada naye ujoyine omunye this month, next month kujoyine omunye nakanjalo kuzoba lula for bona. So kuyangisiza kakhulu baba. I pray to God ukuthi kuchubeke kungisize kusize nabanye kusize nama-downline wami nawo wonke nje umuntu idayimoni sisizakaleni sonke siyeni sonke empumelelweni. Ngiyabonga baba uSikhosini.
Thank you so much mama uthi uhole nge-example nokufundiseka kwakho nawo ama-results. Yabona ukuthi mawufundiseka ama-results ayalandela. Now ama-sales yangena nabo abantu bayajoyina. That's the beauty of doing the activities. Well done. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nokubambisana kwakho noXolani ngiyanibona impela. Then Saturday
namhlanje bekuyi-surprise baba uSikhodi. Namhlanje bekuyi-surprise bengihamba ngi-1 nalo sisi ohlala la endlini cabanga.
Okay.
Ngizogcwele ngi-1 ayabo ukuthi kuyakhuleka la engqondweni.
Ifuna kanjalo impela. Wow. And bakwethu sisaselapho siza eGraceland Saturday. Amatikiti ye-150 bakwethu siyendaweni ephambili kakhulu si-organizele uMama Zuma lapho. Usisa Graceland ufuna impela niyofunda endaweni eziphambili kakhulu nokushintsha environment. But uMpumalanga i-target yini kakhulu but ivuleleke wonke umuntu ama-leaders nibonile bayeza. Sifuna uku-empowera i-team yethu. Unfortunately bakwethu indawo yethu ithatha abantu abawu-20. So first come first serve. Thumela nama-150 wakho and lena ne-guest yaza nayo sizoyenza i-marketing plan after i-training before siyivala sizoshaya i-marketing plan for abantu abangakajoyini. So asithengeni lamatikiti we-150 bangile kuyenza mahala mara ngazi-criticize mina ukuthi bengithi siyenze mahala ngithi no sizomosha abantu bethu ngoba yikho into yamahala kwa-forever. I-success day 275 i-master class u-500 itikiti lakhona. So mawufundisa abantu uku-attenda into zamahala bazolimala makumele athenge itikiti lokuza kwi-success day 275 uzotala ukuthi umhlaba uyaphela. Masithi master class i-500 rand ataba ngokuthi imali eningi. So sizoba silimaza i-team and ngakhuzwa uMama Mkhoko wazi ngwayenzela amaphutha. uMama Mkhoko wangihlalisa phansi wathi Raymond uyenza yonke into yakho for i-team yakho. Ubabhadalela amaholo baza kuma-training mahala uthenga yonke into uyenza ama-refreshment ubhadalela iholo. Labantu bakho uyabamosha ngeke bakhule ngoba baku-forever azikho into zamahala kumele bathenga amatikiti bazokhona ukuwathenga na. And abantu bayalova ngaleso sikhathi balova nakuwo la mahala ngibhadalele yonke into. And mangicala kuyenza lento yakagogo ngicharge ke ukuthi ngibatrain i-attendance ya improve. Ngaqala ngaproduce ama-leaders awa-understanda i-business. Wabona ukufundiseka bakwethu mina bekithi ngiyenza kube lula for i-team yami ngithathe umthwalo ngubeke emahlombe wami. Abantu abane-experience bangidonsa ngendlebe ukuthi ayenziwa kanjalo awubasizi uyabalimaza. And ngazisola nami ngabona ukuthi ngempela bekunjalo. So bakwethu indaba ilapho ukuthi let's do kulama activities we-4 core. Si-recruit, si-retain, si-focus ku productivity and then si-produce siye ku development. So the 4 core is very important. Then asithengeni amatikiti we-training ngomgqibelo sizoba sifundisana in detail ngale ndaba ye-4CORE. So bakwethu egroupini ngizophinda futhi ngishare le information about siyenzani kulo June. Sifocus kuphi the 5 key activities that guarantee results kulo June. Ngiyazishare futhi ngishare ekseni ngazi baningi abangakayiboni. So I'm sharing again so that siyofunda futhi. Sifocus kuphi kulo June. Ekurecruiteni, ekudayiseni ku-product, ku-develop ama-leader, produce ama-case credit, move ama-level. That's our goal. Sifuna uku-recruiter, produce ama-supervisors, ama-manager, shaya ama-case credit, but ba-qualify for ama-incentive. The declaration yango June. This June we will recruit more people, sell more products, develop more leaders, achieve more promotions, and build a stronger Millionaires Club team than ever before. Millionaires Club team, we build people, building leaders, we're building people, building leaders, building millionaires. That's the goal. So, Bagwetu, any questions? Ufuna add, ufuna buza, you are free. You can just unmute. System yethu ivumelekile today to unmute. Sivalanga those rights. Ufuna add, ufuna buza. Very important. You can just unmute yourself and go ahead. Bakwethu asethe nama-target usebenzelani lo June. Ayingaki ama-presentation awakho ozowayenza this June. Ama-launch endlini, ama-one-on-one uzoyenza ayingaki. You attend which events that is a must for you to attend. Miyenza ama-commitment and get out there and work. So asinayo edayo, asinayo buzayo. My leaders. First day today of the month. Leadership Tembeka, we are going to unmute. It's the first day of the month. So let's give our leaders information as overseas about low June, Abelula, as compared to May and the previous other month, and be more productive. Leadership, Agatolaga Tembeka. And then, Mam Zuma, are you still there? Managers. Mam Schod, you can unmute and go ahead. Go, Sister Zuma. Okay, go ahead, Sister.
Greetings, leadership, and thank you so much for this wonderful training. No, ama-downline akhona ngiyathemba ayezwa ukuthi sisebenza kanjani kule business esikulo njengoba uchazile ukuthi it's your own business. If you don't work, it's equals to your empty wallet. If you work, i-wallet yakho izogcwala and you will be able ukuthi ufeze amaphupho akho. So engishoyo nje ukuthi asisebenzeni, asikhulumeni nabantu because siphethe impilo. I-product esiyiphethe, don't underestimate it, it's powerful. Abantu bayayidinga la ngaphandle and abanalwazi balinde thina ukuthi size kibo sibaxoxele ngale product, then bayithenge bayisebenzise. Abantu bayaphila, nathi sizophila ephaketheni sikwazi ukuthi sifeze namaphupho ethu. So everything is set for Saturday. Asizeni sizofunda kabanzi because it's important to attend ama-events ngoba each and every time you attend you learn something new. Uba nesikhala esisha sokuthi uphume uyosebenza, uba nalomdlandla. So kubalekile ukuthi each and every event eyenziwa yi-team yethu Millionaires Club team si-attende ma-event enziwa i-forever attende because you learn a lot. Uma ngabe uhlele ekhaya ujoyinile awubi productive because awukutholi lo mdlandla wokuthi ugqugquzeleke futhi awutholi nalokuthi amagoli wakho your why ivuseleleke every time you attend. So kubalulekile siyazama siyaba-invite ukuthi ba-attende laba abafundisekayo baya-attend but-ke njengoba usho ukuthi we have to replace singahlali nemithwalo emahlombe ethu. Abantu ufuna bazi ukuthi lawa amabhizinisi abo and adinga bona ukuthi bafundiseke bakhule ukuze bakwazi ukuwarana. Thank you so much, leadership.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mamzuma, yebo abenza, and bakwethu it's only 20 tickets, asikhona uku-extenda ngisho indawo basiphe yona is 20 seater.
Yes, it's 20.
Na itikiti liyi-150 bakwethu, asithengeni lamatikiti sifake ilist. My-list yethu ithi 20, angeke sakhona uku-add abantu, angisho sihostiwe laphana siyakhona. So kunemithetho fire ilona bylaws ukuthi ngeke u-exceed inamba yabantu into ezinjalo. So and ku-catera bona laphana, angeke uze ne-something from outside. Amani mawuphuma mhlawumbe uyodla ema-restaurant, but ngaphakathi laphana ku-conference room yibo kuphela abakhona uku-catera lapho. So inamba yabo kumele sibe siteke kuyo. So let's buy those tickets again. And then size namadawulane wethu, and this one nama-guest avumelekile, enye akusiyithi kuphela. Mawune-guest izanalo ukuze sikhona ukuthi sishaye i-presentation masiqeda. Umuntu wakho uyobona i-training, atrainwe, abuye abone ibhizinisi in one session. So phuma ne-clue yokuthi ibhizinisi lisebenza kanjani. So ibalulekile kakhulu ke my leaders. So, Ma'am Schodi, are you able to unmute? Inyanga yaqala khuluma nama-diamond bafocus eguphi to make this month productive.
Hi, diamonds. Ngiyabonga ngiyazwakala.
Loud and clear.
Okay, ngiyabonga. Siyabonga kakhulu i-training esiyitholile. Nokukhuthaza nje ukuthi siphushe kanjani ibhizinisi yethu. Yazi ngiye ngiyibuze nje ngithi yazi ibhizinisi efana nale ibhizinisi enhle ngendlela esimanga, because kunabantu abakufisela ukuthi uphumelele, kunabantu abakugqugquzelayo for impumelelo yakho or i-achievement yakho. So kwamanye amabhizinisi angeke uziyibone into enjalo, uyazibonela ukuthi uphuma kanjani. But kule bhizinisi yethu uthola ukuthi kunabantu abane-interest kuwe ngebhizinisi yakho futhi befuna ukukubona uphumelela. So nje asesiyithatheni ngempela siyenzisise and uzibone ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani. Ubani umuntu ongafuni ukuthi uphumelele, ngoba abanye abantu babephumelela abatshela abanye abantu, but thina la siyakutshela ukuthi uze uphumelele fanele wenze 1 2 3. So nje siyabonga kakhulu i-training, beyimnandi kakhulu. I hope sonke siyizwile and then sizoyithatha and then siqale inyanga and then with a bang. Inyanga kaJune, guys, it's my birthday month. Ngishilo laphana ngathi engikufunayo nje kule birthday yami ukuthi ngi-recruit kube nabantu abangenayo kule business. So is birthday present yami ukufaka nje abantu ebhizinisini. So I'm working on that ukuthi and then kube nabantu abangenayo. Ngifuna ukukhuthaza ukuthi yes, isikhathi sesidlulile.
Sifaka kabangaki lapho mama usho uthi i-birthday ukuthi sithi ihambe kahle kuma kujoyina abangaki?
Ngisifiso sami ngiyafuna ukuthi kube yi-5, but if akehambanga kwaba yi-5 at least may-3 noma kanjani mayingene. So nje
sizokhutha abantu abawu-5 noma kanjani.
yeah, kufanele sithole abantu abayi-5, abantu abayi-5 futhi asiyibeke nje kanjalo. So ke Kufanele sisibheke nje ukuthi and then from January until manje ku-June sisebenze kanjani. So if ubona ukuthi akusebenzekanga kahle, so qala-ke kulo June, nayi 6 months yonke osele nayo manje yokuthi wenze izimanga ebhizinisini lakho. If ungakamuvi iseyi-7 ne, oh uJune konje yenza 6 angisho. Yeah, okay, masimbala vele noJune ngoba usaqala. And then kule izinyanga ezisele makwenzeke something ebhizinisini lakho, nawe zitshele, nawe zibekele yakho i-target ukuthi ufuna kwenzakaleni. Omunye uzobe afuna uku-move i-level maybe yaka-supervisor, omunye ufuna ukuya-assistant, omunye uya ka-manager. Kodwa kukuthi wena ufuna uyibekela ukuthi ngifuna ukuba kuphi mina kule bhizinisi yami. So oseyi-manager naye une-target yakhe ukuthi ngifuna ukuzibona ngikuphi uma kuphela lo nyaka. So wonke umuntu akasebenzele phezu kwe-target yokuthi ngifuna ukuba kuphi and then uma kuphela lo nyaka. So nje kusaqala unyaka guys, masiqaleni ngokufaka ama-CCs. Lo 0 point something ubalulekile ngendlela eyisimanga guys. Ma uye waba nemali engange-1,200, hamba othenga and then ungalindi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi iyenze i-1 cc. Yenza lowo 0 point something. Ma ungabe uba naleyo mali hamba uthenge. Uma uba imali leyo oyitholayo nje as long ila ku-1,200 hamba uthenga i-product. Ngiyakutshela mina ngeke ube nenkinga ye-4cc ekugcineni, and ngeke ube nenkinga maybe ukuvala i-target yakho lo uzibekele yona ukuthi ngifuna ukuvala ngama-CCs amangaka makuphela uJune. So but if sizolinda sithi okay, hayi ngizobona emakhambeni kwesikhathi, hayi idlule iviki, hayi ngizobona, kuthi kufika ilanga le-month end guys, even ne-4cc iba ngumqanza, because if awa-recruiter umuntu kufanele uyenze wena ngokuthenga kwakho or ngokuthengisa uyothenga, seyibukeka sewumqanza omkhulu. Kanti if ye wathi okay ngithengisile, so sekunokuthi ngithathe le mali and then ngithi ngiyayibeka phose, ayibekeki imali. Imali ayibekeki nje, nami ngiyakwazi lokho ukuthi ngeke uhlale nemali la endlini. Ugcina uthenge nezinto eziyi-useless kahle kahle ongazidingi kangako, ongaphila without zona. But once waba nemali ephoketheni wafika e-mall, ubuye usuthenga into ongayibhekanga nokuyibheka, bongayifuni nokuyifuna. So ngisho ukuthi imali angeke uzuthi ngizoyibamba, ayibambeki. Imali nje into yokusebenza. So kufanele ukuthi at least uma uyithola leyo mali, phungula ukuthi okay, at least ama-CCs wami as long ngaka-recruit, mhlawumbe ungakabi khona umuntu ongenayo, but makuthi kushaya kuphela i-2 weeks sengine-2 cc isingenile or 2.5. Uyazi ukuthi sengishoda nge-1.5 ye-CCs ukuthi ngihlanganise i-4 cc yami. So angeke zibe inkinga. So masizifundiseni nje, once sayicala sazifundisa leyo nto leyo ukuthi and then okuncane sesihlanganisile siyothenga, akekho umuntu ongathiwa uba nenkinga yi-4 cc ethimini yethu. The way i-train-wa ngakhona, the way sititshana ngakhona ukuthi uyenza kanjani. Akufanele ngabe kunomuntu onenkinga ye-4 cc ngaphandle mangabe-ke awuthengisi-ke i-product, because uma ungathengisi i-product vele uzoba nenkinga. So kule nyanga masizibekeleni ukuthi siyenza kanjani. I wish ngathi ngabe nalowo muntu nalowo asibeke i-target yakathi mina kule June ngifuna ukuvala ngangaka, kulo June mina ngifuna ukwenza ini, and then izoyenza ukuthi uma uphela uJune uhlale usubheka ukuthi okay ngizibekele i-target eso, and then ngithathe le target ngiyishayile or angishayanga, or ngishode kangakanani le target yami bengiyibekele yona, or ngicishe ngayishaya. Awuthi ngibone ukuthi July and then ngeke ngiyishaye nayo or ngishaye ngaphezulu kuleyo target, phinde uzibeke i-target. Ngiyakutshela uzobona yonke into iyoba easy once wazenzela kanjalo. So nje asigijimeni, uqalile inyanga singakhona nokuthenga even online, and then uqale uziphushele ama-CCs wakho. Manje nge-Saturday siya eSecunda ezibe sebeyakhulumile sebe-organize-ile guys endaweni enhle ngendlela esimanga phela indawo ezisona kuziba zinhle kakhulu. And then ngibonile ukuthi bashilo bathi limit nje yabantu fanele babe kuyi-20. Wena kule 20 ngabe ukhona na? Because enye into ebalulekile guys, fanele sifunde ukuthi ama-trainings ayahlala ase-Gauteng njalo. Mangabe wena uya because ila iduzane kwakho, then masiphumile iye kwenye indawo sakhona ukuya futhi ngeke uzulunga ngoba isazosuka phela iye eDurban. Because nayo i-team yaseDurban iyakaza nayo ifike ithole i-training. So fanele sifunde ukuthi asizohlala endaweni eyi-1. So ake sithenge amathikithi futhi nje angazi ukuthi why ukuthi fanele lokhu sikhuluma into eyi-1 amathikithi, because every month siyazi ukuthi sine-training and kufanele ngabe usuthengisile ithujeli wakho wayothenga ithikithi. Kufanele ngabe usuthengisile ithujeli wayothenga ithikithi. Thengisa nje ithujeli eyi-1, thenga ithikithi. So yingakho nje sometimes sithi mangabe uyabona ukuthi maybe imali ayibekeki ezingiqeda ukuchaza ukuthi imali usebenzisa imali noma ingenasidingo, uthenga into engenasidingo, unayo leyo mali leyo, thatha uyuthenge leyo thikithi, uyithengele i-next month ukuthi okay sengithengele ukuthi i-next month bakubhale phansi ukuthi okay uba ngisekhiphile imali yethikithi. Ngabe manje asikhuluma ngendaba yethikithi, maybe ngabe usuwara nge-transport ukuthi ngihamba kanjani ukuya eSecunda manje. So maybe asifundeni guys ukwenza i-business yethu ngendlela e-right, and then ukuze sizokhona ukuphumelela, ukuze nawe uzokhona ukuteach ama-downlines wakho. Ngoba if wena ungenzi right as a leader, and then uzowafundisa kanjani ama-downline, because ama-downline abheke wena. And if wena u-attend as a leader and then ama-downline nawo awezuku-attenda, and if bebheke i-list laphaya babona ungekho wena as a leader, and then abasiboni isidingo nabo sokuthi bathenga ithikithi because babona ile yabo naye ayiyi ku-training. Uzamkhuthaza kanjani umuntu etheke i-training wena ungazange ungayi i-training? Yabona ukuthi ezinye izinto yithi esizibulelela ama-team wethu. So if ufuna ibhizinisi yakho iphakame, so akusukume wena as a leader and then nama-downlines wakho and then azawusukuma. So indlela nje ithi siya eSecunda eGraceland, asiyeni siyolona. Bashilo bathi indawo encane emnandi ngaleyo futhi ukuthi thina singazenzela. Ngisho bathi kuzoba ne-training and then after kube nane-marketing, so siyakhona uku-invite umuntu, ngakhona nokuthi ngithengele mhlawumbe omunye umuntu ithikithi ngisayidla, because ngiyazi ukuthi uma eqeda lapha uzozi-marketing lento ayifunayo izoza ukuthi imali uyenza kanjani. And then abantu abaningi kula ma-trainings mina engike ngawa-attenda, abantu abaningi beza bangajoyinanga bafike bajoyine and bayajoyina. So ithuba lethu ukuthi-ke futhi sisakhe nathi i-team eMpumalanga. So ngiyabonga kakhulu Malida.
Siyabonga kakhulu bakwethu, sekunjalo uJune ulana. Let's start the month with a bang. Focus on case credit if you want to win. And then asiyeni Graceland on Saturday for the training season. Ama-guest azosayina noma kanjani bayathola i-presentation ezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. Mpumalanga ningasali, yenzani sure ukuthi lela holo ligcwaliswa abantu benu because landelele nina anyway kuza eMpumalanga. So kune team enkulu around Secunda, King Rose, Middleburg, Witbank, Chris, Betali, nase-Standerton. There's a lot of people around those areas. So isesizile kini ke izani kwi-training on Saturday. Bring your guests, sikurecruitele bona, ukhulise i-team yakho, uphume nolwazi, siphume siyosebenza. Thank you very much, leaders, for joining tonight's session. I hope you learned something. Your business will become much more better than it was before this training. So as pushing my diamond, let's make June the best month of the year. Thank you so much. Good evening.